Hi everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course which is better according to my recommendation. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a UI UX Radial Technology is a course and it's a UI UX course by Radial Technologies and it is the overview about the UI UX training and the duration is 25 hours and it's both online and offline are there. And if we go with the reviews, 3200 plus Google's reviews are there and 2300 plus Chespel reviews. And these are the modules or syllabus: introduction, user research, prototyping is the important part. They are covering usability testing and feedback, element and design system. Design principles are also there. Also help in portfolio building and final project. And if we go down, why radial technologies is and its certification, career opportunities after completion of course, job assistance is there, interview preparation is also there, profile building is also there. That's the advantage. They are helping in mentorship and placement opportunities. And if we go down, it's a ecosystem, testimonials, certification related tools, nothing else. Like they are not providing any detail about the tools they are going to teach, especially about the Figma, about the XP, and not teaching about the AI tools mainly, which are most important in future-oriented course. So it's a beginner level course as for me. If we give a rating according to these parameters, it would be 1 in structure. Fundamental is also there, so it's a 1 for me. UI design quality is 0.5 for me. And hands-on project they will going to teach, but they didn't mention, so it's a 0 for me. Tools and software training is also 0 for me as I'm not aware about the tools they are going to teach. Mentorship and feedback is there, and portfolio development is also a 1 for me. Placement and career support, as they are going to teach about the mentorship and feedback about the placement and career support. So it's a 0.5 for me. Course value is again 0.5 for me. It is not a future oriented course. So it's stay 0 for me. So if we count down total, it's a 4.5 out of 10. So it's a below average course, like many better course in the market you can pursue. So it's your choice. If you want to pursue on a beginner level, you can pursue, but I will not recommend this course. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters and all the weightage related to UI UX fundamentals, and also it cover all the design quality. Also help in tools and software training in terms of future oriented tools like AI, like FitJam, Miro, ChatGPT, etc. And also help with mentorship and feedback and placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.